is the AR camera. Now we show you how to connect it. You need to connect the camera power. And connect it to the floor camera. You also need to go to our head unit setting. Turn on the oven power on. Okay. Choose the floor. You can track the picture. Now we need to choose the real camera.
然后摄像头供电。
This is the power supply.
然后 BACK.
Backup camera.
倒车灯。
You need to connect to the backlight.
来，往这边走。
Over 12 power.
我告诉他，这个是我们的样品啊，让他不用担心这个地方。我们的电源线上面的
Connected to the real camera in.
然后这一根接 BACK.
Connect the back wire.
然后这里的话呢，要接倒车燈。
Connect it to the backlight wire.
OK， 来，我们開始看一下後置的。
Now you can check the real picture.
然後我們的倒車可以。
When you reverse, the picture will show.
然後這個倒車的這個地方會有兩種選擇啊。
You can choose the track style.
貝殼看嗎？ 可以。 然後 AR 攝像頭。
AR camera.
前置。
Floor camera.
後置。
Real camera.